Okay, I've got the watermelon analogs set up behind the windshield at 600 yards. To the right's the rock we were shooting at.
We'll shoot the same one.
Alright, 1,000 yards, simultaneous shot.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, we nailed it. There it is.
Hit.
Lock adapter, and you put a little oil on it so it worked a little better, but it's good and solid. It's a Savage TR with the suppressor attached. Like I said, this is a
I think sounds like it's misfiring.
and then here's bulk ammo.
Accurate ass little rifle out there. Hit it. Or just in front of it.
I thought you hit the last two. Maybe a little lower. The fuzz. A little lower.
A little to the right. That one.
To the right. With a 22. It's way the hell out there. Right now I'm waiting on him to pop up at the 1,000-yard target, so I know, or the 1,000-yard range, so I know it's safe to shoot. And there he is. So I'm going.
What's the range on that? 14?
14 about.
1375.
1350 to 14. Hell yeah.
That come in plain as could be.
That was a good hit.